Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create ice pack on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this area and then you're going to grab this apple. Okay, and then you're going to change the color. You can go to the pattern and then you can apply this ice color. And I'm going to make the second part have the same color, okay, like this. Or actually you can scroll down and you can use this one as well. It will create something like this if you use this one, and I think I'm gonna go with this one guys because I'm going to make the eyes darker. Okay, and then we're going to change the toggle. Okay, I'm going to go to the toggle and then we can choose this toggle, this mischievous. Okay, and then we're going to move to the second area and we can grab this item. Okay, and you can color it the same. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, basically we just need to use the same color or same pattern. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the ice pack has been created. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create ice pack on Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.